What's up? It's Quarter Mile Goes here, one and only. I'm editing this video, and I want to add this to it because we didn't have neither footage or the weather didn't hold up for us to complete this video. So the end of it kind of quite got cut off. So I wanted to add this to it and say me and my dad worked on one of my friends' car. My friend is actually in the video too. I had him doing most of the work because, you know, it's his car. Thumbs up to you, buddy. You did a good job. We fixed the overheating issues. Plus, it was done in the winter. I remember it being cold. This video is like maybe 4 or 5 months old, but I remember it being cold. I remember it being raining. Some days we would have the time to film or the time to work on the car, and some days we wouldn't. This was done in our spare time. Like, we get off of work, we would go over there, team up, get together, use my tools. Hey, you get you some tools too, buddy. You know, there's no hard feelings. You know, I'm entitled to use them anytime. But we would go over there, we would work on the car in our spare times, and we pretty much what was going on. You will see in the video where we got the heads off the car and actually got down to the head gasket where the head gasket is blown. Enjoy the video. Let me know in the comments below. Peace. Yeah, we got the work going on over here. Boy, got to do some head gaskets on 3.1.
Only thing I'm worried about. I ain't gonna
got the crew coming in. And your one and only, me. That's the motor man right there. Yep, we got about to get started. I didn't even see this. Yeah, that's how we do. That's how us mechanics do. We get everything assorted first. Get all the tools right there on side the box. That way you ain't got to keep digging in the box. That's a little smart thing. I have to give a shout out to my boy there, right that way. There, him right there. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to catch back up with y'all later. About to go and get it started. Bring the camera back out when we get a little further. If y'all ever look like this.
Follow the button, yeah.
Okay, curve right there. Yeah, it look like this. See how it's kind of like light brown, milky, chocolate milk looking. You got definitely some internal issues going on. In this case, it's head gaskets. But just wanted to show y'all this chocolate milk right here. This is a head gasket issue.
That's what I'm trying to make sure.
Okay, everything going good so far. Got the intake manifold out. Had a couple of encounters, you know, here's and there's, but it's the way mechanic life go. Manifold is that way. Keep you updated. All right. Chocolate milk. What we were saying from the get-go here. It's not good for your motor. Head gasket issue. Alright, we'll get back to y'all in a minute. Okay, upper intake manifold is off. We down to the rocker arms.
Ew, gross.
It's chocolate milk, watery oil.
Everything else look good, no bent push rods.
Be back with you in a second.
What you gonna need?
What was those tools again, sir?
Need 13 millimeter, 15 millimeter, need a 10 millimeter, 13 millimeters close in, open in wrench. You need a
15.
and a 15 millimeter. Most of your tools are gonna be those that I named. 13 millimeter, 15 millimeter, 10 millimeter. That's what you're gonna need.
Alright, so on your typical GM product doing engine work, Chevy, Pontiac, Buick, the primary tools you're going to use are 13 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 15 millimeters.
What at 13?
13
Socket,
mm-hmm.
wrenches, you know.
That's too beautiful.
Those are your
And
primary
break
tools.
ball.
Breaker bar, but those, you know, those are the necessary power wrenches you need to get out of there. Not necessarily power wrenches, but ratchets and things to get the job done. But
That look like a 13. No.
most
got a round end on
tools,
it.
sockets, and wrenches you're gonna use are 13 and
It's
10,
got a rounded end on it.
15. If you go into a little deeper,
Especially on head bolts. It's a little dark off it now, but 15 millimeter head bolt, 10 millimeter heat shield cover that would have been there. Manifold is 13.
we didn't really use anything else.
Take your time when you do it, man.
Tighten first.
Tighten it first.
Get it, get it, get it, get it.
All right.
There you go. Yes, sir.
That's what we want to hear. That's what we want to hear.
Yeah, engine work is a nasty job, as you can see. Ugh.
I'm surprised I ain't got that light. You should be able to cut the light on.
Nah,
Oh, you can see clear light?
We can't
Yeah.
talk about the light now.
it's clear, but the lighting is just. I have to figure that out. Walk through the toolbox.
It's a no-go.
Take your time. All right, now. Lift them up.
When it's under the rule. Yep, it's a little hoopty, but all cars deserve to be on the road, so.
Ooh, almost bust my shit. Yeah.
Doom.
Tighten them up.
Well, we run out of sunlight, but thing is blurred up. We're gonna straighten. There we go.
There you go.
Work it, work, work.
On that. I was about to put that damn head gasket, what's that?
You're about to put black cylinder.
Yeah.
All right, we're down to the cylinder heads. And as you can see, there's the corporate right there. Blown head gasket.
Ooh. And that motherfucking lit.
They're pretty clean. We need to get some in some sandpaper.
I'm sanding it down.
I got a wire brush that we could.
You got one? Okay, get that back one up. Come on, let's get it.
Damn, it's another one?
You cutting the shit out yourself.
I already know. I always do normally.
It's a little bolt right back in there. We'll get it.
Oh, there's two back here?
It was a 3.1 V6, kind of a motor I don't prefer to work on. I'm not gonna say I don't like them, but I don't prefer to work on them because it kind of like from the factory they're overheating monsters, and I would prefer to work on 3800, which you will see later on down the line in a couple more videos that we have to make. We have tons of footage, but a couple more videos that I will make of doing engine work and maybe all around automotive work. I have the engine sitting here. Of course, I know that's going in the Beast, the Trans Am, and we have more footage to come. As actually another car that I have that's at my mom's house, and the start on that, let me tell you, that is gonna be a nightmare. But we'll get to that when it comes. So I just want y'all to enjoy the video. Like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. I'm gonna post it this Sunday night, Sunday morning, somewhere. I'm up, can't sleep, so I just got up and decided to edit my videos. And now that I got editing software to edit, y'all gonna have more videos to come. So stay tuned and like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the videos. If there's anything in the comments you want to say, I will read the comments. Comment below. Let me know if the footage is terrible, if it's good. I don't care. Your comment, hey, you're worth an opinion. You're worth an opinion to me. I just want to know how it goes. My first time doing this, videos only have no choice but to get better. So let me know in the comments below, and I hope you enjoy this video. I don't know what's wrong with my tongue, but it is getting to me. But enjoy the video. Let me know in the comments below. Peace.